Hey all, welcome back to another episode of technical based trading or investment. So mostly I prefer to be an investor rather than trading. So it is good to have technical knowledge. I prefer to have both fundamental knowledge as well as technical knowledge. Just fundamental will not be always helpful, because when you know the technical part, you can smartly understand when to enter and when to add more, which is a time to invest more. All those kind of things will get a clarity when you know the technical part. Fundamental part, it's very difficult, right? So every quarter you have to find out when the what is going to happen, what is the result going to happen. But actually speaking, before even the results are coming, or without, before even we all know, market will know that. So you cannot expect, or you cannot wait till the quarterly results or annual results or anything like that. You can just keep watching it, tracking the market, and using the technical indicator, you can always find out when what is going to happen. Based on that, you can increase or decrease your positions. So let's get into the details. I'm going to cover a couple of videos in this series. The first thing today I'm going to cover is Fibonacci thing. People are using it, but this video is going to help you, and I'm going to give it in a very simple way to understand, and you can apply it. Let's get into the detail. This is Sundar and you are watching Mindful Finance. So let's start with Fibonacci first. Even if you are doing Fibonacci, you need to have a basic understanding of trend. What is trend? And you need to know what type of trend we are in, whether uptrend, downtrend, whatever it is. And also this can be applied in any time frame, with 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day, 1 week, whatever it is. You can apply for anything. It all based on the purpose. I'm not going to help you, or I'm not going to tell you about the trading funda. I'm going to give you the Fibonacci, how to use it. You can apply for whatever purpose. But my goal is for investment. Use this wisely, use this properly for investment purpose. That is what I would suggest. Okay, so let's get into this one. So this is the Nifty chart. If you want to find out where is the Fibonacci, so this in the left side pan, this is a trading view, right? Open this, click and open this one. You will find a lot of tools here. The first one is Fibonacci retracement. So let's use this one. From here, you have to find out, okay, before getting into the tool, let me explain to you how to find out the trends, okay. See, now if you see, this is a downward, and it went up here, right? It went up. Let me zoom here so that you'll get, right? It went up here, but it couldn't be able to break the high. Again, it went down. So this is what you have to find. This you can capture here also. If you see, it came till here and it went up again. From here, it went up again, right? But it couldn't be able to break it. And again, it went down. From here, it went down. Again, it went up, right? So what is this thing is all about? So this is giving you idea about the trend. That means it is not able to make higher highs and higher lows. It is clearly making lower lows, lower highs, right? So when this kind of things happen, you can understand that the market is going down. So for that, in the trading, you will find for shorting, but I'm not going to tell about the shorting part of it. I'll only support you on investment part, which is find out the reversal, trend reversal. When to happen trend reversal? Okay, for that you have to open RSI. Go to indicators, you search for RSI, you will get relative strength index. Okay, so that is what you can see over here. Okay, so now if you see, if you draw a trend line like this, okay, when you draw a trend line like this, this broken this trend line. Clearly, you can see this broke. And look at the volume here. Okay, it's high volumes are happening, and it is a it was not more than the average one, but still that is why it is testing again this particular thing. This bearish candle was tested again, that is here, right? If you draw a line here, if you see this is testing and it fell down. So this is what the time is, you have to check. How do you find that reversal thing here? Keep tracking the RSI's bottoms, because it is a downtrend now. This is a low, this is a low, this is a low, right? Now if you see here clearly, this low, okay, and this low are not following the thing. This is lower low, but this is higher low, right? Now you found the divergence. So you have to draw Fibonacci from this low to this high. Okay, in this Fibonacci, you go and check the settings. So these are the things he enabled. Okay, only changes here I made minus 0.062 and here minus 0.28. Okay, now what will happen is you can check. So this is basically you can find a support and resistance kind of a thing. Okay, when you draw this one, you can wait till where it goes. It may this particular 0.78, right? Till 0.78 there is a chance it will go. Okay, normally, and then it goes up. Whenever it goes up, 0.61 is what something like you have to have a golden thing. Okay, 0.61 level. So this 0.61 level is the golden rule. Okay, if you find any kind of a reversal pattern, so we found a divergence. It's a hammer pattern, right? So now you can enter here. Okay, your first target is this, second target is this. Okay, and the third target is this one. But maximum this 2 targets will be achieved. Okay, third target means the trend reversal because it is going to be higher high. So it's going to be in a different trend. So you have to be very careful. So you have to partially book your profit or something. You can exit here. Okay. So if you are doing a swing trading, you can do this one. But as a trader, you add more here and whatever target it goes and it comes back again. Okay. Check this one. Okay. Whether it is crossing 6-1. No, it didn't. Here it didn't cross 6-1. But here it is crossing 6-1. And 0.78 as also is touching. Normally this will act as a stop loss for you. Okay. But maximum time you will be fooled by some big players. So that is what happened here. So it came down and see this hammer engulfing. So it's a very good reversal pattern. Okay, and you can also see a divergence here. You can see a clear divergence. Right, it has made a lower low, but here higher low. Okay, so now it came here and there is a divergence here. Right, see how many opportunities you are getting. So here again, don't chase this one. Okay, don't always chase. You find out this area. This kind of a divergence, the area where it forms a divergence, where you need to have some idea about the price action also. Okay, so that is very important. If you try, see here also you can see this is a good hammer formed here. Right, it's a higher low. You may get fooled here. Okay, but if you see this one, it is proper trend. Right, higher low. So I will not enter here. Okay, there is no divergence, right? So wherever going down and if there is a divergence, that is where I feel it's a reversal symbol. And then I will enter here. Okay. Now again it came down. So it made a reversal. So I will add more here. Okay. Now again it is going back and coming down here. You see these are the lows. Here is the divergence for you, right? So I will add here. This is how I invest. This is how I find a trend and I'll invest. And now if you see, if you want to find a trend, now it is going up. Okay, see after 6-1 it takes support. Okay, and it is getting reversed. Okay, and it has touched this top here. Trend is changing now. Okay, when the trend changes, then again you have to mark it from top to bottom now. Okay, from top to bottom you have to draw like this. First we draw from low to high, right? Now top to bottom. When you draw top to bottom, you will find at 0.5 level, it is getting bounced. This is a good trend. It made higher highs. Okay. And also the whole trend here also, it is touching the 50 here, right? 50% mark. And this is a double bottom. Okay. And if you see here, there is no reversal, no divergence, right? That is complete reversal now. This is confirmed reversal because it's made a higher high and this is a higher low. So it is a trend continuing. Where you need to see divergence, where you need to see the price action, it's very important. The trend is in downward. When the trend is in downward, you have to check divergence. When it made a higher highs, now you have to find out how much it can retrace. Where is the next support is going to be? First it tested this one, went up. Then it broke that one, came here, went. So it was touching every level, but 50% level is what the support. 50% is support now. Okay. Always this is the thing happens. Okay. After that, it completely a trend reversal. Trend completely started to continue. Now let's see the current status of Nifty. What is happening? It is making still lower lows, right? Here it has made a higher highs, but here it is still lower low. I need another low. I don't know when that low will form. Okay. For that, now how we need to use a Fibonacci tool from top to bottom, right? Here to here. Now you may get a reversal trend till here. It may come down here. Okay. It may come down here. I'm waiting for this one. Okay. If it happens, I will add more here. Okay. That is the thing. Because when the trend continuation happens, there will be a good retrace, 50% retracement happens. Then only that momentum will be there. So now if you see, this has taken a support here. This equilibrium, this is the equilibrium zone, right? 100% level. It is taking a support. If it continues, what will happen? It may go further also. Okay. It may go till here, and then also it may come. Okay. So that time we need to be very cautious. So now I'm not going to enter anyway. So this is for short term. So what I have done here is from this low to this high. Okay. If you see from here, it has retraced till this much. Oh, sorry, not this one. From here, from this low to this, if you see 61% retracement from here to here. Okay. Now this is a powerful support for a long term here. Okay. This is from long term side. This is going to be a very good momentum for me. So this is obviously going to hit this one, and then this one, and then this one. So this is how the targets are set. Okay, within this may go up and down, but it is clear sign it has taken a support here. That is what you need to see. This has taken a very good support here. 61 level. This is a fantastic. If you have seen my Elliott Wave thing, you would know that one. This is 1-2 wave. This is a 1-2 wave. Now the third wave. So people will make more money on the third wave only. If you haven't watched that video, please go and watch that. You will understand that one. So this is how you have to predict a thing. You have to mark your chart and find out which one is a good one. Hope you got that idea. Do it mindfully. Please use this for investment purpose. This will give you a very good idea when to add more. Hope you like this. Give a simple thanks to me. That will be helpful for me. I don't need any other thing. Just give a simple thanks. That will help. And do like this and subscribe this one. Thank you.